Guys, it's Ivy and it's time for Dollar General's Any Day Deals, guys. Now, we're going to look at some Any Day Deals, but we're also going to look at a little of their clearance deals because, guys, a lot of my coupons didn't load. You know, the BOGO, Palmolive, it wasn't on there. It just came now. So, let's go. Christmas. Already. They put Christmas out. Wow. I'm going to start over here in the Ajax and Palmolive. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, I like Palmolive. So I'm gonna scan. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work with the how you do the sequence. The sequence worked last time, so you can do the sequence. Sequence is you put the most expensive one up first, let her scan it. $4 right there. And then this coupon was not here on Sunday, guys. And so I don't do coupons that I do not have. So I open that up, and you're going to do buy one Palmolive Essential Clean or Ajax Ultra Dish Liquid, get one free, maximum amount $4. Now, we're getting ready to look at something. It's $4 there. They actually went up by 15 cents, but they're giving us a price break of $4. That's what's going on. Pick up one Ajax. I'm going to scan the Ajax, and then I want to see if this Essential Clean is working also. They don't have the Ajax, the one that is. Okay, so I actually scanned the bottle, $3.50 for this Ajax, the blue one right here. And then here's the coupon right there. Now, whenever you see that black square with the plus sign, tap it. It needs to be a check mark in order to be claimed. So these are the two that I'm gonna pick up today. These two. So you actually pick up a Palmolive and an Ajax. To get the yellow Palmolive, so I can use it as a hand cleanser. The Honey Nut Cheerios, the large sizes, were the general meal. Let's see. We're gonna scan that. They're $5. You have $1 cash back on two, and they're 3 for $9. So 3 for $8 for the large boxes. And then of course we'll do math. And you pay $2.66 for those large boxes, which is not a bad deal. And a part of those are the general meal. I'm gonna try the Reese's Puffs. And then I'm going to get 2 of the Cheerio boxes. Get the honey, 2 boxes of those. So I'll be paying $2.66, but for the large box. And this is how much bigger they are from the regular box, okay? And so, not coupon-wise, but I need these, guys, because I make the oatmeal jars with the fruit in it and yogurt. So I need these, and I'm telling you, this keep me full all the way until lunch. And they're $3 and something. Let me see where they at. They're at $3.25. I do have cash back, so I'm going to use that to pay for that. Those oatmeal cups, oh my God, overnight oatmeal, that's what they're called. Awesome. Now, the cereal that I want to also pick up is the Captain Crunch. They are, let me see, the Crunch Berries. I scanned them. They're $3.95. That's the peanut butter. But this coupon is still here for me. It's been here for a minute. I've used it twice, and it's still here. Say $2 on 2, and then they're 2 for $6. So I'm going to get those Captain Crunch 2 for $4. So I'm going to pick up 2 boxes of Captain Crunch. This is the regular. I want to do, they don't have any berries out. Oh, that's the giant box down there. So I already know that ain't going to work. Let me get a box of these Crunch. Hey guys, these are 2. I'm gonna have to go back to my house because this Talenti gelato is on sale, and my mom loves it, and I cannot miss this for her. So they're originally $5.50. They're on sale 2 for $9, but that is not it. Let's scan it. We're going to scan it. Okay, so there it is, $5.50. And when we scroll down, look at that. Save $2 off of 2 Ben & Jerry's or Talenti products. So they're going to be 2 for $7 or $3.50 each. Nice deal on those. So I will put those right there. 2 of these. So far I got the 2 Captain Crunch, the 3 boxes of cereal, the buy one get one free Palmolive, my oats for my overnight oatmeal, and the 2 of these. And I did pick up this right here for my mom. So I'm actually using her coupons today, not mine. Okay, the Hot Pockets are originally $3.50. They're on sale 4 for $10 right here. Now you can get those as 2 in the pack, or you can get these that's also 2 in the pack right here. We're gonna grab those, but let's scan them first. Now remember, this is any day deals. Any day deals, I buy more food than anything. Okay, they're originally $3.50. They're on sale 4 for $10. So we're gonna grab 4 of those. The breakfast packs, the kids grab waffles in the morning. So I put 4 of those in my cart right there. Remember, we went over this deal on Sunday because I told you it was a do now deal. They're originally $2.35. They're on sale 2 for $3. It was $1 off of 2 that connected to that coupon. So make sure you grab it, or go back and look at that do now video, and then you'll see the deal. I did use my mom's. So let me see. Right here, we're gonna look at the Ritz crackers right here. And I gotta make sure I get the ones with cheese in them, and one with peanut butter. My granddaughter's allergic, so I'm gonna grab the Ritz. How many in the pack? I think it's 8. So let's scan it. Okay, they're $4. And then you have the spend 9, save 3. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a pack of those right there. And then I might either pick up the Ritz family pack. Yeah, here it is right here. So I'm gonna grab the Ritz, this pack of Ritz right here, because we are doing for her birthday. She's gonna have chicken salad. My granddaughter's birthday is this weekend. 5.25, and the spend 9, save 3, and those are 4. So we went up to $9. We went to $9. So those are $5.30, and the crackers are $4. $9. Take a 3 off. Well, you're at 65. They're about $3.15 each. So that's an okay deal, especially when we need them for that stuff. So I'm gonna put those in there. And then I picked these up right here, the caramel, the little cups that you pour into them. I take those to work with me and leave them on the work counter. It's my coffee week at work, and it's a 50-cent coupon. Okay, we're over here on the pasta aisle, and I'm looking at the Alfredo. It's $3, but it is a deal going on with it. Buy 1 classic sauce and get 1 Clover Valley pasta for free. So the pasta is $1, so that makes these $2. I wish they had 2 for $2. They don't have them on sale. I thought they did. Oh, that was the salsa I was looking at. That was 2 for $5. So I need to pick up this. And since I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and grab this. That's my freebie. I'm going to put that in there. But it is Taco Tuesday, guys. You know, on Tuesday we have tacos. The kids are expecting taco. I made salsa out of my garden, so we're not going to use that. I have everything for the tacos, even the meat, so I'm great on that one. Okay. Now over here, I want you guys to see, like, the Nora pastas they were $1.65. They are $1 now. So these quick ones right here, I have a brother that's kind of special needs, and so I kind of pick up something easy for him to cook. And he likes the noodles. I think it's the chicken flavor. Oh, okay, here they are. So I'm going to pick up him a couple packs of the chicken flavored noodles, and they are $1. But always scan. We might have a coupon. So I'm going to scan that coupon, but they are $1. So I'll pick up a couple of those packs. Because it's Taco Tuesday, we're going to have some Spanish rice. And these are $1, so I'm going to get 3 packs of those for today. Hey guys, so this is how my cart looks today. I need to go back home because I got the ice cream in there. But other than that, this is it, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's Coupon Camp, because we don't gatekeep around here. Bye.